Alright, so I started to do the test drive video and then my kid's school called me. Just nothing but busy days here lately. So this is one of the trucks I went and looked at. Look at that, $398. Ow. Marissa's still messed up. $398 on the miles. So it's, you know, it's basically brand new. These literally just came in maybe 30-40 minutes ago. Driven in from Richmond, same place. Obviously, I went and looked at them and drove the one back. Please move. No, my germs. No, you don't. You got a stop sign. I don't. Yeah. Alright, look at this. Let's see. Wipers. There's your wash. Could use new wipers. Okay. It's kind of hard to test that. This is the one I did the inspection on, I think. I think this is the same one I made the video on. I'll have to look at the, when I go to upload this, I'll have to look at the stock number on the video, but I could have sworn it was the one with $398. But yeah, I went out and inspected it, them, group of 4, test drove them. What are you guys doing? Okay, y'all are weird. Driving's hard. Oh, you are in the middle of the road, old guy. Okay, anyways. Went out and looked at a group of 4 of these. Really, really clean, low miles. I mean, $398? Come on now. Drive straight. Is governor 65? That's probably going to be 72 on pedal like the other one. Let's see. I know it. Move. 71. Wow, the other one gave me 72. I swear to God, if my phone doesn't stop ringing today, just constant rings from this thing today. I'm gonna go back to the 90s where you didn't have cell phones. Page me. I'll get back to you when I can. Look at this beautiful truck though. Good green. No paint flaking, no dull paint. Look at that. Eventually it's gonna, especially right there where there's like a break in the trees and the wind kind of pushes you that way. But yeah, it doesn't pull, doesn't shake. Low miles, I mean $398, that's, you know, that's really good. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm fixing to do my U-turn. And thanks for watching. I'll do the video walk around on this. Hopefully, no, fuck, not tomorrow. Hopefully Thursday. Today's Tuesday. I'm working a half a day tomorrow because I got some stuff. Yeah, hopefully Thursday or Friday I'll get the video walk around out. I did do the inspection. I'm pretty sure it was on this truck. If it was, I'll put it in the description. But thanks for watching. Come see us.